Hello, my name is Reuben, and I'm a native English speaker from Brisbane, Australia. However, I'm currently living in Malaysia. I've had over 6 years' experience tutoring in both English and music. I've taught students as young as 4 years old to 65 years old, and have taught many skill levels from beginner to advanced. I've helped my students prepare for job interviews, write essays, and speak more fluently with their work colleagues. I specialize in helping my students understand and speak conversational English with native speakers. I really enjoy meeting new people. I love hearing your stories, your background, places you've been, different food and music, and altogether different cultures. I love to laugh and have conversations where we can learn and have fun together. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.